Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 7 Motion and Measurement of Distances. Question number 21, video part 2. Okay. Which of the following is not a non-standard unit of measurement? Non-standard unit means whose distance is not fixed for every unit. Okay? Like your hand span. The hand span can be different for every person. My hand span will be of different length. Your hand span will be of different length. So hand span, foot span, or cubit. This is your cubit from elbow to the middle finger. This is your cubit length. So cubit. These all are the non-standard unit, but meter is the standard unit of the length. So 21 first answer will be option A. Okay? Motion in a straight line is called. So motion in a straight line is called rectilinear. The circular path is the circular motion. If the motion is just rotating on its axis and move forward, then it is rotational motion. This is the periodic motion. Option A will be the answer. 22nd answer is option A. Question number 23. Swinging pendulum has which type of motion? So which type of motion means it is just repeating itself every after the interval of time. So this is periodic motion. The 23rd answer is the option C. Question number 24. Fathom is which type of unit? So fathom, if you just extend your hand, stretch your hand like this, so this length is known as fathom. The fixed quantity with used for measurement, no, it is not fixed. It can vary person to person. Length between the tip of the thumb and the tip of the little finger is fully opened palm. No, this is your hand span. Length of the outstretched arm. Yes. The 24th answer is the option C. Question number 25. Which instrument should be used by Rajat to conveniently measure the length of his room's wall? So this is your measuring tape, because in the measuring tape, the tape is in the roll form. You can see this is your measuring tape. It is in the roll form and it can measure the larger distances also. So this will be your measuring tape. 25th answer is the option B. Okay. Question number 26. The motion that repeats itself at regular interval of time is regular interval of time. It means periodic motion. The 26th answer is the option C. Vibratory motions are also the periodic motion. Question number 27. 25 centimeter cube is equal to. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. So 25 centimeter cube is equal to 25 milliliter. 27th answer will be option A. Question number 28. Which among the following is included in the internal system of units? Meter for length, kilogram for mass, second for time. All of the above will be the answer. The 28th answer is the option A. This figure is here for showing you actually meter for length, second for time, kilogram for mass, mole for the mole of the substance. This is for candela, and its symbol is also given here. Candela for the luminous intensity, K ho gaya Kelvin for temperature, A ampere for current. So there are total 7 fundamental units measured in the international system of units. Okay. Question number 29. Thermometer used to measure body temperature of human body is. So this is your clinical thermometer. Examples are of the clinical thermometer. Picture here. 29th answer will be option B. Question number 30. The following graph is showing. The time is increasing, and distance is fixed. For everywhere. It means body is in rest. सिर्फ टाइम बढ़ रहा है, डिस्टेंस फिक्स है. तो टाइम बॉडी रेस्ट पे है, कोई डिस्टेंस में चेंजेस नहीं आ रहा है उसके टाइम के रिस्पेक्ट में. 31. Which of the following is an example of periodic motion? Clock pendulum? Yes, this is the periodic motion. Walking off the road? No. Needle of sewing machine? No. Option A. 31 का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन ए. Question number 32. A ball rolling on a straight road. On a straight road, it is showing you, देखो rotational motion भी है और rectilinear motion भी है, तो both B and C. 32 answer is option D. Question number 33. Which of the following is correct? Earth moving around the sun is the circular motion. Yes, this is the circular motion. Earth moving on its axis is the rotational motion. Yes, this is the rotational motion. Earth moving on its orbit is the periodic motion. Yes, ये जो orbit में fixed distance पे every after 365 days it repeats its motion. So that's why it is periodic motion also. Answer will be all of the above. 33 का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका D. Question number 34. Dash of measurement is a definite magnitude of the quantity. So definite magnitude of the quantity will be unit. ये unit होता है. 34 का आंसर will be option B. Question number 35. Without these two, a measurement is incomplete. The unit and a number, yes, like 2 centimeter. So centimeter is the unit, 2 is the number. So 35th का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका B. Question number 36. Height of a boy is 2 meter and 9 centimeter. Convert his height into decimeter. So we know 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter and 1 decimeter equal to 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. तो मीटर, तो 2 मीटर इक्वल टू हो जाएगा आपका 2 मीटर इक्वल टू 20 डेसीमीटर एंड 9 centimeter equal to 9 divided by 10, that is your 0.9 decimeter. अब दोनों को ऐड करोगे तो हो जाएगा 20.9 डेसीमीटर. इट इज इन द ऑप्शन नंबर बी. तो 36 का आंसर हो गया ऑप्शन बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. Which of the following is the correct distance time graph for the following given data? 0 0 0 0 तो सब में है. फिर 4 and 2. तो योर टाइम इज 4. टाइम आपका एक्स एक्सिस पर बता रहा है. टाइम इज 4 एंड डिस्टेंस इज 2. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट 5 और 5 है, नहीं 4 and 2 चाहिए. तो ये देखो यहाँ पे 4 दिख रहा है और ये 2 दिख रहा है. ठीक है. देन 8 and 8. तो दिस विल बी योर 8 के आसपास आएगा ये, और ये आपका 8 के आसपास. दिस इज करेक्ट. 10 and 25. द टाइम इज 10 and 25. ठीक है. इज दिस वन. ये भी ठीक है. अब आ गया आपका 12 and 36. तो 12 होगा आपका थोड़ा सा इधर, ऑलमोस्ट दिस डिस्टेंस. अब फिर हो गया आपका यहाँ से 36, इससे थोड़ा सा ऊपर. करेक्ट. सी इज द करेक्ट. 37th आंसर विल बी योर ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. Which among the following shows circular motion? तो merry-go-round, this is the circular motion. Yes. Blades of a moving fan, so this is also showing the circular motion. Pendulum of the wall clock, no. This is your periodic motion and semi-circular motion है आपका. तो A and B. 38th answer will be your option D. Okay. Question number 39. The length of a table is 1845 millimeter. How much is this length in meter? So 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. So 1845 millimeter equal to 1845 divided by 1000. This is your 1.845 millimeter. Sorry, meter. Only meter. It is in your 1 point. It is in the option B. 39th का answer होगा option B. Question number 40. The distance between two bus stop is 3.2 kilometer. Express this distance in centimeter. So 1 kilometer equal to how many centimeter? 1 kilometer equal to, so it is your 1 lakh. So 3.5 kilometer equal to 351234501 will be here. It is your 3 lakh. Sorry, 3.2. It is 3.2. It is not 5. So 3,20,000. 3,20,000. It is in the option number B. So 48th answer will be your option B. This is your centimeter. Okay, this is your kilometer. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.